Just line it a little bit. Every time I come in here and I look at it, I'm like, I'm gonna show y'all how I keep it looking kind of wavy, kind of not. Hey y'all, we got some empties to go through. But I did do most of the edits. Like I basically just cut. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, when is the last time I said that? Welcome back to my channel. But hey girl, I am done putting my makeup on for the day. I need to do my lips. I picked up some more of my favorite lip products from Revolve, and Revolve is sponsoring today's video, so thank you so much to the team for partnering with me in today's video. I had to get me another lip cheat from Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade Foxy Brown. Y'all know this is my absolute favorite brown liner, and I'm so excited that Revolve carries it. And I also had to get me another one of my St. Jaine lip glosses. Oh my gosh, y'all, this gloss, I ran out of the first one that I had. It was so good, so glossy, so just so freaking good. It's one of those that you just have to have it in your purse. You just have to have it everywhere you go. It's in the shade Bliss, I believe. Yeah, Bliss. This is a everyday, throw it in your bag, just good on the go gloss, and y'all, it's just so freaking pretty. Even the tube is cute, right? It's so cute. I'm gonna swatch it so you can like really see. It's really sheer though. It's not like a pigmented gloss. That's why I love it so much, because it's sheer, it's glossy, it's comfortable, it's not sticky, and it's so pretty. So that's what I'm wearing on the lips today, because I wanted to go for something very natural looking. Because I'm not really going, I mean, I do have an errand to, like, one thing I have to do today, but I don't know if I'm going to insert it in this vlog or you'll see it in the next vlog. Not too sure. We'll see. But other than that, I have to film I'm filming one video today. Usually I try to film like 2 videos in a day, but I'm just going to film one video today, which is going to be a video that I have to refilm. Because I have been having some issues with my mic. So yeah, but anyway, and then the liner, let me show you. Y'all have seen this color before, but if you've never seen the Charlotte Tilbury liner in the shade Foxy Brown, it is the most beautiful, soft chocolate color. It's so pretty. It's not too dark. It's just the perfect, soft, natural brown color, which is why I love it so much, because I like an everyday lip. And you guys can shop all of this on Revolve. Like, you can shop all of my beauty faves. I will make sure to have it down below so you guys can click the shoppable links. But yeah, sometimes I'll just line my lip, or other times I'll just take the lip product or the lip pencil and just fill in my entire lip with it. But today I'm just gonna line the lips, just line it a little bit, because I want to go for a really soft, natural lip today. Soft, natural, and glossy. Yeah, the first time I got this gloss from St. Jaine, I got it 2 years ago, and I just fell in love with the gloss. Like, it's so pretty, so glossy and shiny, and just everything. So pretty. But yeah, this new tube is going in my purse. And what I like about it is you can wear it with any color lip liner. You can also wear it by itself. It's just a nice universal shade. But this is how my lips look with it. See how it's just natural? It just kind of ties in with my entire makeup look. Absolutely love this lip combo. I am going to be wearing Missy. Rosie Jane MISSY today, which you guys know I love. And I went ahead and applied my body cream. I literally just got out the shower. So I put this on this morning, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray this all over. But like, these two together are so good. The OUAI St. Barts, it smells very similar to Missy by Rosie Jane. Like, if you haven't tried it yet, I know I talk a lot about these products, but if you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend, especially if you like that sweet coconutty scent. Both of these are very similar, just perfect together, like perfect. Perfection, which are also available on Revolve. So these will also be linked for you guys if you're wanting to try them out. And again, thank you to Revolve for sponsoring this portion of today's vlog. Now I'm about to go fix the hair. I'm just gonna brush it down and then put a cute little set on. I think that's what I'm gonna put on today. Like a really cute, comfy set. So yeah. If you're an influencer or a content creator, do y'all struggle with what to wear when you try to film a video, like a sit down video? Do y'all be struggling like what top you want to put on? Because the bottoms don't matter. Nobody's gonna look at the bottoms, but is it just me? Because I be want to wear my robe. Like, I will wear my robe in every single video. But at the same time, I need to put on a top. Like, I need to have something else on. So that's my little dilemma right now. I'm actually about to clean up this room because every time I come in here and I look at it, I'm like, Andrea, what have you been doing? Like, stuff is thrown all over the floor. Just nothing is in order. It's a mess. Like, y'all just see this portion, but y'all don't see everything else. So I'm about to clean it up real quick and then put some type of top on. I don't know, because I want to sit down and film the video real quick before we leave to run my quick errand. All right, y'all. Not sure how I feel about this top. It's just a random top I found in here. But I'm about to sit down and film the video. I gotta just brush my hair down. But for the most part, I finished with my room. I'll give y'all a little overview of everything. Everything is hung up. The floor is clean. Like, there's nothing on the floor. There's nothing on the floor. So yay. Yay. Everything is clean. Everything's clean. Okay, let's go film. I'm gonna take these pins out of my hair. I try to keep it pinned right here so it can lay down flat. Cause this part be sticking up. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this shirt. It's very beachy. Like, it's like giving summer, and I'm over summer. Like, I am here for the fall colors, like the fall content. And this shirt definitely gives, I am about to get on the beach somewhere. I'm about to lay out on the beach, or I'm going on vacation. And I don't care for it. I really don't. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick little bump to the hair. I'm gonna show y'all how I keep it looking kind of wavy, kind of not, kind of wavy, kind of sort of, kind of. And I take random pieces too. I don't like to be perfect with it. I don't like for it to look perfect. I'll just be grabbing random pieces of hair and twisting it. So yeah, this is what I do on days when I want to sit down and do a, bless you, my dog be sneezing, girl. When I sit down and do like sit down talking video, like, you know, but yeah, when I sit down and do like talking videos, this is what I do. I do my makeup. I find something to wear. I find a top to wear. I'll be having sweatpants on. If I'm not wearing a cute top, I'll just wear like a robe. Get my hair together. And then I'll get all the products that I'm gonna talk about. I get all of them together, which I have some of them in front of me, but I gotta go and get a couple more that are downstairs, and I have one in my car. The video I'm filming is a favorites video. Not a favorites video, I already did that. Empties video. The one that I have to refilm. This is the second time I'll be having to refilm something. I had to refilm my favorites video because of the same reason, because my mic. Because when I do sit down videos, I plug my mic in my camera instead of just using the audio, the built-in mic on the camera, so the audio can be a little better. But also, when I don't use the mic, you guys can hear a lot of that buzzing noise from my lights, my vanity lights. So that's another reason why I like to plug in my mic when I do sit down videos. Okay, this side is good enough. Like, that's good. I'm doing too much. Ooh, I got 4 minutes left on this card. I gotta clear it out. Ooh, this side. This is the hardest side to get because I'm doing it with my left hand and I'm not left-handed. We are gonna just sit right here and film instead because I like the lighting in here. It looks so much better, and my pink doesn't clash with any other pink. So got you guys back there. I'm filming on my vlog camera, which I always do, and then this is the mic that I use. It's the Rode mic, and it's not on, so I gotta remember to turn it on, so that way the audio will work. But the bob came out good. I fluffed it out with a brush, and yeah. And I got my mirror right here so I can see myself in case, you know, just in case. I just like to look at myself while I film. Products all in this basket. Can y'all see all of the products? Let's go. Let's go. Hopefully the battery holds up. Testing, testing. Okay. And the TV in the background, you can't really hear it when I have the mic on because I have the volume all the way down on the actual vlogging camera. So the only, I mean, you might hear a little bit of the TV, but it's not as loud as you would with without the mic. So hey y'all, we got some empties to go through, like a lot of empties. So and I got a few products in here that I didn't like. It's actually one product, but it's like 3 different shades. But I just want to show y'all what I've emptied within the past month or so. Month? 2 months? Oh no, but I'll just talk about it. We got some fragrances in here, y'all. We have emptied fragrances. Can y'all believe that? Okay, let's just dig and talk about each product. So the Salt and Stone body wash. This is one of my favorite scents from Salt and Stone. I smelled 2 other scents from them. I didn't really like it, but this one, the bergamot, perfection. Bergamot Hanoki is the one that I absolutely love, and I've shared this with you guys already in a favorites video. So we finally finished her. She's empty. She is clean, and like there's like a little drop in there, but yeah. Love, love, love. Skincare, I just don't put a price on skincare. Like if it's gonna work for my skin, I'm gonna get it. But anyway, if you don't want to spend that much on get this one. This is almost similar to that. It does have the 2% BHA. It clears acne. It just helps with breakouts. Even, I feel like when sometimes when I use this cleanser, I use it when I'm not breaking out. And I find that when I do that, I don't really break out, especially around the time of the month is. So sometimes I'll try to act fast and use products that I know is going to help with the breakouts, or that I know is going to help prevent breakouts. So I'll go in with this cleanser, and I'll go in with I feel like every time I mention a makeup cleansing balm, I'm like, okay, it's no different than any other ones that I've tried. That's why I love this. Like, not only does it keep my skin glowy and hydrated and just throughout the night. Hello, it's later in the day. I'm home. I went to get some hangers and a few more other things that you guys are probably, well, you probably already saw in a vlog before this one. I'm about to hang these in the closet, and then I'm hopping in the shower. I did take the makeup off because I don't know, my face just felt itchy. So I came home, washed my face, washed all the makeup off, and now I'm about to take me a long hot shower after I take these in the closet, and then we're gonna warm up some leftovers. We just have shrimp, rice, and steak that we're gonna eat tonight. But yeah, I did go ahead and edit the video that I filmed today. I didn't edit all of it, but I did do most of the edits. Like, I basically just cut. When I edit, I don't do much. I just cut the clips. So I cut all the clips. Now I just gotta go back, rewatch it, and make sure everything is good. So I know today was pretty short. So I'm gonna end the little day in the life right here. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I was up to today, which wasn't much, but I was able to get a video done, and I was able to shop for the things that I need to shop for today. But anyway, I'm just rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog for today. Thank you again for hanging out with me and watching me film a video, watching a little bit of behind the scenes of me curling my hair and all the things. Like, now it's just all sweated out, y'all. It's so hot outside. I cannot wait until fall, y'all. Like, I am just ready. I'm ready for the cool, crisp weather. Just all the things, all things fall, and I'm so ready. But anyway, that is all that I have for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.